Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to ProveSource. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in ProveSource, transfer new data every time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose ProveSource as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Data. At this stage, you need to connect your ProveSource account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify URL for sending data. In order to get it, go to your personal ProveSource account. Go to the Notifications tab and click New Notification. Next, in the Stream section, select Webhook. Copy your webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, return to your personal ProveSource account to continue the setup. Next, write down the URL of the site and add the pages you need. Next, fill in the field, Message Text. In this field you must enter the text of the message. No additional settings are required in this section, so just click Next. Next, give your notification a title and click Launch. When a new notification is created, go to ApiX-Drive to continue with the configuration. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. First, specify the type of sending, PostJSON. Next, you need to fill in the fields that consist of the name and value. In the name field, you must specify the name of the variable in which you want to send data to ProveSource. In the value field, you must specify a variable from the source, which will be transferred to the field with the name. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. To create a new data entry field, click Add. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to ProveSource. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.